Do you know why we get hiccups? Hiccups occur when the diaphragm, a muscle that helps us breathe, suddenly contracts involuntarily. This contraction causes the vocal cords to snap shut, producing the characteristic hic sound. Various factors can trigger this reflex, including eating too quickly, consuming carbonated drinks, sudden temperature changes, or even emotional stress. Sometimes hiccups can last only a few minutes, but in rare cases they can persist for days or weeks. While most bouts of hiccups resolve on their own, techniques like holding your breath, drinking water, or swallowing sugar can help stop them. Understanding why we hiccup can make this common nuisance a little less mysterious.